Hi guys, today I will explain you how to add domain with the Blogger. So you can also see here, we have a blog, agmwebhosting.com, so same blog I want to add with the domain. Just log in your Blogger. So here you can also see set up third-party URL, so here like I am going to put my domain name. And just click the save. Once you click the save, then you can also see CNAME. The same CNAME I have to configure with my domain. Okay, just go to the domain section and if you the AGM web hosting, click the my account. So you can also see I have two domain. Just I have clicked the domain section. The same domain, I want to configure with my Blogger. Click the setting button. So after setting button just click the name server. Here you can also see use default name server, custom is there. So what I say to you, if you want to use the DNS setting, click the default name server and save changes. After that you have to go with the DNS management. Okay, with the DNS you go to the Blogger. So what you are getting the CNAME. Same CNAME you have to add it with the domain. Paste to share the CNAME. And save changes. Let's see. Okay, again you have to add another CNAME record. Just copy. And paste it there. Type CNAME. Copy another value. And paste it there, and save changes. Okay, once you added the CNAME, just click here save. So it might be will take some time to update. So next system just you have to click the live setting instruction. So you can also find out the for a record. The same a record you have to add it with the domain. Here just add rate and paste it that the a record and save. And again you can also take another a record, copy. And go to the domain section. So just add here. And paste here. And save. So guys, you can also see here I have added for record and to CNAME. Okay, so once you added for record and to CNAME, okay then your Blogger will be updated. So just click the save. You can also see it's not a verified. Because, for the updating CNAME will take a 4 hour, so what I says to just wait 4 hour. After 4 hour click the save button. Once you click the save button, then your Blogger will be worked fine. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.